This is
our aesthetic light.
I don't know. God is not with us. I think light गई हमारा phone का storage full हो गया mid video. अभी camera angle फिर से we have to set. They're sending the signals that please don't do it, guys. Please don't do it.
Yeah. Hey guys, तो content की कमी की वजह से
मुझे समझाया था ना.
कैमरा चालू है. तो guys, content की
कमी ना होने की वजह से हमको ये वीडियो करना था because we love it. So today we are going to try out some weird food combinations. So we will challenge each other. Not basically challenge. We will have like food combinations which are there in our mind. We will.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So we will like make that combination and then feed each other. And let's see.
what all things we are having over here. We have green chutney. यहाँ पे है.
The दिवाली का मिठाई.
हाँ.
Basically कोई खा रहा नहीं था तो we thought ऐसे ही खत्म हो जाए.
This is I guess chocolate.
Yeah.
आलू बड़ी जैसा भी लग रहा है but chocolate.
आलू बड़ी ऐसा नहीं है. कौन सा टाइप का आलू बड़ी खाया?
Yogurt, dahi, not yogurt.
But no, why are you doing a recipe channel? Is this like welcome to Prithvi's
अरे
kitchen?
बताना पड़ेगा.
No.
How will they understand?
No.
Peanut butter Shankarpali, thumbs up, and this is ketchup.
Now tell me what is your weird food combination?
So let's first try.
I think we should go level by level, na?
Sure,
Like,
yeah.
So first, and I hope tomorrow we won't have any.
Diarrhea.
I don't want to die.
Right.
No, I can't.
So my first approach would be I would put this hari chutney into the thumbs up.
No, what? Are you mad or what? Hari chutney, thumbs up, what? कौन सा taste the thunder करना है?
Let's do one thing. The whole opposite. Mawa peda, green chutney.
Oh my god. Chutney का drop by MasterChef Prithvi.
Okay, so going in, who should go first? Let's
You.
play stone paper scissors and decide.
I'm very bad at it, yaar.
Stone paper scissors. Stone paper scissors.
अरे यार. I'm really trying it, okay? I am really trying it. So,
The chutney should disappear.
Hey, no. You eat it. There's this chutney now. You can clearly see. I can't because मैंने lens नहीं लगाया. I hope you guys can feel it. Okay.
It's good.
It's not good, yaar.
It's good.
No, it's not good. Weird. There's this weird aftertaste.
Yeah,
Mawa
awesome.
mithai. No, it's not awesome. It's not awesome.
अरे भाई
No,
जीत गया.
try it. No. Eat it. Come here. Come. Light गई.
So
हमारी light गई है, but still,
next time we'll charge it.
yeah. It was your duty, right?
You guys have to stay till
Shut
the
up.
end and see if the light gets turned on or not.
Have it.
Miserable.
Yeah, right. It was your idea.
Miserable.
It was your idea.
I have no words. It tastes like
Shit.
It's like feet.
Yeah. When have you tasted? Oh my God, Prithvi.
If the feet would have a taste, I think this is exactly how it would.
The second thing now we will do is.
I'm already exhausted, but I have
You
to
just had this
continue.
tiny bite. I had this much, and he just had this little bite.
Make it more interesting.
What?
Let's add dahi to chutney and then mix peanut butter in it.
No.
Make a trio and then we are going to have it.
शी यार, ये पक्का लूज मोशन का ये वो रास्ता.
We have the.
Prithvi is going wild.
Let's mix chocolate and.
No, bus.
How about ketchup?
No. I am not going to eat it if you add ketchup to it. No.
Let's keep it for the part 2.
Take the Shankarpara and mix it and enjoy. Again showing. So this peanut butter dahi chutney ka mixture on Shankarpara. In your mouth.
Why don't you have it?
No, I had that mawa wala thing first.
I also had the same.
No, but you added second, na?
खत्म.
Don't spit.
बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.
Is it good?
गया.
Is it good?
Could be worse.
I think this will
Neutral.
taste like that kachori papdi, you know?
Sweeter version of dahi papadi, but
Yeah, nice. Then guys, you should try it. बचा कुचा शंकरपारा खत्म हो जाएगा दिवाली में.
yeah.
The third combination.
We've had so much solid now. I think I'm thirsty. So let's go with it.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
It's the thunder.
Let's-
Sing with me.
Yes, the thunder.
कितना ठंडा था
Let's add
No.
this sauce to thumbs up. Then add green chutney in it. Then add mawa peda. Then add chocolate. Then add yogurt, curd, and then mix it.
No.
We can add tissue paper as well.
Yeah.
And this.
And your
rose.
brain as well.
I think this is real or fake. This rose. Let's add curd to thumbs up.
Making your version of Coke float.
Yeah.
Use it carefully.
The thumbs up should turn white.
Oh my God.
Or else
see?
there is no point.
Thumbs up. I have a little reaction to it.
Let's
Not
add the
visible.
magic. It also had some peanut butter. Now I think it's more like vanilla. You guys can see in the video.
This looks disgusting, dude.
Perfect.
It looks like that bajo wala gutter ka pani.
By the way, I'm lactose intolerant, so
You are also going to drink this
you guys do the math.
tomorrow. No, you don't have to even wait for tomorrow.
Did you had the Shankar Pali?
Yes. Yes, I did.
So right now, I am not going to have this.
No.
We'll capture your reaction.
No. I'm having that
No,
Shankar
no,
Pada.
it's
No, I'm
done.
having
No,
it. You
I'm-
just wait and watch now.
Going to be the.
It looks like it's just very disgusting. But I'll puke.
You can mix that and have it again.
What's wrong with you? There was no taste of dahi. I think you have to add more. But yeah, it was disgusting.
Let's add Mawa Peda to it.
No. No, so it is weird. It is disgusting. Please don't try this. Please don't try this. This is mad bullshit. Ew. I am going to give you a nice one, I feel. This is nice one. Yeah. Okay.
Surprise me, I'll close my eyes.
Yes. Mawa mithai with some chocolate chunks. Like, you know that crispy wafers we have?
Smells miserable, smells weird. Why is it not weird?
No, I thought like this is getting very disgusting. So I thought let's do a nice one because you hate sweets, nah? So
Lame, boo. Let's try it.
like that.
What the? This is dog food. Revenge will be served. Where the attack will come from? हमला अचानक से हुआ था.
हमला तो आपके ऊपर हो गया है. You gave me this disgusting shit, na? So yeah.
We'll wait for the part 2.
So now, how does it taste? Like लव को हमको पूछना चाहिए कि flavor कैसा है, अच्छा है ना? You can tell love कि hey buddy, we had the same food tonight. Tell me ना flavor वगैरह अच्छा है. Is it crispy enough? तो love के लिए ना, love and Laila के लिए will change it if you like this brand or you want to try other brands.
Why are dogs eating?
I don't know. They are very crazy about it.
Exactly. Because they eat the same food that we do. How are they eating this?
How can you not smell dog food?
We'll see. in the
How can you
part
not
2.
smell dog food?
I smelled something fishy, but again, I think that's what, tuna. Food is made of tuna. Now, you guys tell us in the comment section what weird food combinations you want us to try, and we'll give it a shot.
Mention like next time you can try cat food.
We'll see who's going to try what.
I can smell it. That's it. I think yeah, it was pretty disgusting what we had like. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and yeah, a fool from a fool.
Like, share,
No, nobody's going to eat that dog food wala mithai.
comment.